Not long now, and the big man's going to be coming with his red dressing gown on, and he'll be delivering some prezzies under the tree. But we're going to have a look at the prezzies that I'm going to be giving away anyway. Never mind what the big man's going to be leaving under your tree. So I've been putting together a tool hamper, my Christmas giveaway, Supercarlsunday Christmas giveaway, and this is going to be the final video I'm going to be doing on the giveaway. So with a chance to win it, what you've got to do is comment on this video now. So everyone that comments on this video and that's subscribed to my channel, you must be subscribed to my channel, like the video, you'll all be in with a chance of winning my Christmas draw. We'll have a look at the bits and bobs I've got that I'm going to be giving away, but first we'll have a quick look on this Transit Custom and we'll have a look and see how far on I am with it. So obviously I've got all this side in paint, I've got the rear in paint. Come round to this side, I'm on repairing this side now. Bonnet's repaired, I've got to paint that. So this side, I'll get this in primer tonight. Our lass is out on her works due, so I'll be able to work back a bit and get this in primer. So I'll get this all repaired and in primer, and then I'll get it all prepped up, and hopefully we'll get this side painted tomorrow. And then we're going to have to move on to the body kit. So the body kit's here. We've got a nice trim to go on the rear bumper spoiler. We've got, if I can separate them, I can't seem to separate them for some reason. We've got a front splitter there as well. So we've got a front splitter that's going to go on the front bumper. We've got some side skirts. So I've got them to prep up yet and get them in paint. Also in the van, there's a top mount spoiler. So there's a spoiler there to go on the top of them doors. Still got the front end to build up after doing them glow plugs. So I've got the front end to build up as well. But I've got the front bumper to paint as well. So there was the black on the front bumper. I'll have to do that. And also the rear bumper corners. In fact, the full rear bumper, I've got that to paint. So these are the rear bumpers down here, look. So the bumper corners. And then you've got the middle piece. So all this will have to be prepped up. I'll probably prep them up with some 240. And then I'll high build prime them. And then they'll have to be prepped up again. And then I'll paint them. So they'll be painted white. To match, obviously, the rest of the van. Everything's going to be colour coded white. I think I'm going to leave the handles black because I've got some black decals coming, but you'll have to wait and see what they are. Bit look at the bike in here now, so the GPZ 900R. So I'm going to jump back onto this soon. It'd be interesting to know how many of you are actually interested in the GPZ 900R project as well. If you could just let us know how many of you are actually interested in this bike project, how many of you are actually interested in the bike projects altogether, it'd be nice for you to let me know. So this is the engine here. This was the engine that I pulled my back lifting from down there. So I lifted it off there, up onto here, strained my back. Most stupidest thing I've done in a long time. Not something I'll do in a hurry again. So I've got the engine hoist there. Engine hoist is out. I'm going to get it around the frame. We're going to I'm going to take the forks out, get the rear swinging arm out, strip the rest of it down, paint the frame, paint everything, just refresh everything, get it all like new, and then we'll build it all back up. And then I'll refresh the engine, and then I'll get that back in the bike once it's all refreshed. And then we'll just basically take the build from there. So yeah, that's about it really. I'm going to be getting bashed back on with the Transit Custom now because I want to get that finished. I'm going to get really stuck into that tonight. I have got the Golf GTI project, so the pictures I put on the post of that Golf GTI, the Mark II Golf, the red one, I've got that job. I think that's coming in. It's coming in January. A week or two into January, I'll be getting that car. So what I'll do is I'll get it picked up and I'll do a video of it and I'll show you it. You won't believe the work that's been done to the engine on that car. It's a nice car. I only posted obviously pictures of the outside of it, but the lad that's got it spent a lot of time on it. The engine under the bonnet is absolutely mint. It's mint, it really is. Something else I've got coming in before the Golf though is a Ford Focus ST. So I've got a Ford Focus ST coming in. It's orange, and would you believe it has got lacquer peel? So it's got lacquer peel on the roof. There's lacquer coming off on the roof. It's coming off on, I think it was coming off on the tailgate, and it's coming off on the rear bumper as well. So I've got that to paint. I'm going to repaint the roof, the tailgate, and the rear bumper. So I'll do a video on that as well. Orange it is. It's that orange colour, the orange Ford ST that they did. So I'll do a video on that. I'll document that as well from start to finish. That'll be a good little video. So that's coming in just before the Golf. It won't be long now. That's coming in basically as soon as I get my Transit Custom done. That Focus ST will be coming in. Right, let's have a look at my gifts, my little tool hamper that I'm going to be giving away. So I started getting a few bits and bobs together. I've got so far on with it, and this is what I'm gonna give away. I'm gonna stop at this now. I think there's enough bits and bobs here for freebies. I'm not a massive YouTuber, not a massive channel, but what I will say to you is the more people that subscribe and the more that my channel grows, the better the things I'll give away. I'll continue to do giveaways. I'll do one in the spring. My next one I'll do will be in the spring, and I'll continue to do more and more giveaways. And the more people that watch my channel, and more people that subscribe to my channel, the more I'll do giveaways, and the bigger and the better the things will be that I start to give away. So, what have we got? Obviously, we've got a sanding block because I do bodywork, so a sanding block. And with that sanding block, I'm going to give you some discs to get you started. Some metal filler. So metal filler that I use doing some of the jobs in my videos. I'm going to give you some of that. This here that I use. So obviously I use this all the time. It's one of my favourite tools. Absolute mint tool this. It's just brilliant for, you know, when you're taking the car to bits, stripping off bumpers, door cards, bits and bobs. It's just a handy little tool. Everything's in it. It's all you need. That and trim tool. So there's a pack of trim tools there, various different ones, stripping door cards and trims off the side of the doors. Yeah, anything that needs unclipping, handy. We've got some screwdrivers. So these are long reach screwdrivers. They're handy, these, for working on bikes. Like if you wanted to adjust carburetors, things like that. Anything that you that's long reach, that needs a long screwdriver, they're just handy. If you're going to be filling anything and rubbing it down, I thought I may as well give you some high build primer to prime it. So I'm chucking in a can of high build primer as well. U-Pol high build primer. This is good stuff, this, by the way. It's handy. You can prime a wing with this. You could prime a full panel with this, rub it down, paint it, and it'll look mint. Grinder. So I've got a grinder. I thought doing all the rust jobs I do, and the chopping and stuff, and people are going to be watching me and watching what I do, I had to get you as a grinder. I mean, it's not flash, but at the end of the day, it's a grinder. It'll get you started. So yeah, grinder, primer, metal filler, screwdrivers, trim tools, rubbing down block, some discs, and the screwdriver set. So that's what I'm giving away. So all you've got to do to have a chance of winning that little giveaway, as I say, not fantastic, but I'm not a massive channel, and I just wanted to give something away at Christmas just to sort of thank people that are subscribed to my channel. I wanted to give someone at least a chance of winning that there. So all you've got to do, obviously, is be subscribed to my channel, and hopefully you'll watch my videos. And yeah, you have to comment in this video. So all the people that comment in this video, I'll put you in the draw, and I'll do a live draw. So that's it for today. I just basically wanted to do a video on my on the bits and bobs I've got for my tool hamper, let you know when I'm going to be drawing it. So I'll be drawing it probably in a couple of days, 2-3 days. I'll put a post up and let you know when I'm going to be drawing it, and then I'll go live and I'll do the draw. But don't worry if you miss it, because I will be in touch. The most important thing is to like, subscribe, and obviously comment in this video. Right, thanks for watching. I'm going to get bashed back on with this Ford Transit Custom.